Hello, my name is Vedant and I will be reading O Rain Come by Fisk Sera Nirongo. It was a hot summer afternoon. Lilato fanned herself. If only it could rain, her brother Mayamiko said. It was too hot to let the children play outside. No, no, Lilato heard it first. It sounded like a stone bouncing on the roof of the house. Lilato looked at Mayamiko, but he didn't look at her. They tiptoed to the window and looked up at the sky. The sky was grey, almost black in color. Lilato started to sing the song her best friend Mwansa had taught her. Wemfula isa isa, O rain come, twangale na mainsa, so we can play in the rain. Wemfula isa isa, O rain come, twangale na mainsa, so we can play in the rain. Lilato sang, rubbing her fingers together. Ndo, 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 ndo. More raindrops fell from the sky. Maya, it's raining, Lilato yelled. It's raining. They ran outside the house. Mama was already putting buckets around the house to collect rainwater. They ran to the road in front of their house and joined other children. The call of Wemfula Isa Isa, Twangale na Mainsa was heard all over the neighborhood. The sky opened and poured more rain, joining into the music of the day. Thank you.